Hey guys, it's me again, Clyde with PT3D, and I'm going to be working on the K40 laser starting today because I just received it in the mail again. So as you can see, it's there, it's acclimating, and hopefully this one won't have a burnt laser tube on it. So what we're going to be doing is going back to the drawing board and resoldering this. I'm going to be trying the Hyper Tough rosin core solder. Got it at Walmart. I'm also going to be using my stuff that I've already got. So what I'm going to do is try to get all of these little bits and bobs situated. Again, there's been a lot of people that recommend that I do not use this blower fan with the K40, and I respect that advice. I, however, do not have the income to purchase a new duct fan at this time, so we're just gonna work with what we got for the moment, and then when the time comes we will revisit that. But for now, we're going to try using this rosin core solder. Let's see if we can't make something happen here. It works, but I don't know that I would say it works any better than the other stuff I'm using. But looks like it'll be okay, at least in terms of getting the wires coated properly so they don't try to separate on me. Alright, we're going to call that good for now. Clean that or cool it off a little. It's definitely still warm, but the idea is there. So try and tuck all that stuff in. Which is not going to work on that side, so I'm going to have to put it on this side. Just trying to make this just a tiny bit safer. There we go. So now we're just going to take this and we're going to shrink it down. And there you go. One done. Now we got this other one here. We're gonna take a look at this one. Oh, okay, so that one's the same one, so we're just gonna pull that shield back over. And we're gonna come over here to this blue and white connector. This is how the existed when I got this. Can you see this? This is, I mean, does not take much pressure to remove that. So all I'm going to do is get these back together again, nip this off here, and we'll get some more soldering going on here. All right, knock that sharp edge off. Clean my tip a little. take a little bit of a file to that later. It's getting a little crummy. Alright, so now we goofed. I forgot to put my stuff on there. Which is fine. Well, I got a good seal on this anyway, so we're just going to leave it. What I'll do is I'll have to put some electrical tape on here later, because this stuff won't shrink. So, note to self, yeah, that didn't even hold on long enough for me to say something. It just kind of popped off. So, good stuff. At least that one's a lot safer than it was. And again, I could just put some tape on it. So, and this is basically just a quick video of me messing with K40 stock fan. You don't need that much stuff on there, so we'll clip that off. And we'll get some solder on there. Take care of your soldering equipment. It lasts much longer when you do, so don't do things like I do, because it just doesn't work. Yeah, definitely don't get melted solder on your skin. It's actually quite warm. All right. Good solid bead there, and a new burn to my finger. Unplug the soldering iron because I don't need it any further, because when I do this part, I'm going to use the residual heat from the soldering iron to just seal this up, because it does not take a lot to get the shrink tubing to shrink. Yeah, just moving it around so I don't end up with a burnt spot, other than my thumb. Cool. So we'll now try to take this over here, make sure that it still turns on, knock things over as we go. Alright, so the outlet itself, I'll show you, the outlet pins are not tight, so in the socket they're kind of wiggling around a little bit. So what I'm going to do is just kind of flare them out just a tiny bit and see if we can't get them to stay in there a little better. There you go. Now you can see that it does work. So, and that was our plan for today. So, again, this is the K40 laser stock fan that comes with it. Highly recommended from a lot of people that this fan be replaced. I'll be putting all the stuff back inside the case, and you don't need to watch that. So thank you for watching, and we'll have more stuff come up as time goes on, because I have more things involving the K40. So you guys have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.